Good boy, Apollo. If you are a YouTube advertiser and you are trying to see how it is that your competitors are just poaching all your traffic, what kind of ads are they using in order to get all those sales? If you want to see what they're using, what's working for them, so that you have the intelligence to make even better ads, I have a tool for you that is going to make you the best digital marketer you have ever been. And you will be able to continue improving from there with this tool. So today I'm going to pretend that I have a dog product. Let's say I've been testing out a dog product on this guy here. We got a great brush, we got a great Dentabone, we got it all. We got a new leash. How am I going to know what ads are running to other pet lovers out there who have dogs? Well, let me show you the Video Ad Vault. The Video Ad Vault is the largest collection of YouTube ads out there. It updates every hour, so you can always see what is running. So let's say I want to search for, let's just do dogs. Let's see what ads. You want to start with a broad search term, and people name their ads goofy names, but here are a few of them. Let's say, we got total view count here, but let's say, let's just target a popular one, Chewy.com. Here are all the ads that Chewy.com is running. So it looks like they're running two versions of this ad. Let's see what the differences are. Here's one.
Protect your pet this flea and tick season with Chewy. Find everything from flea collars and sprays to prescriptions that keep pests away. Chewy has what you need to keep tails wagging and pets itch-free all season long. Shop pet prescriptions and more at Chewy.com today.
Okay, so that was one ad.
Protect your pet this flea and tick season
They
with
got
Chewy.
the coupon code
Find
in the
everything
beginning.
from flea collars and sprays to prescriptions
That was
keep
the
pests
difference.
away. Chewy has what you need to keep tails wagging and pets itch-free all season long. Shop pet prescriptions and more at Chewy.com.
So again, let's just watch that first ad the first time.
Protect your pet this flea and tick season with Chewy.
They didn't have the coupon code pop up as font on the screen. So you can see they're testing two versions of this ad, one with text that instantly tells you that there's a coupon code, and then they also wanted to test one that just has the image where people might relate better to humans interacting with their happy pets. They wanted to see which one would get the most results. So I'm sure they monitored these ads and they were able to choose the best performing one to serve more of, maybe increase the ad budget on. You got that info in just a few minutes with the Video Ad Vault. Great info. You can see all the other ads that they're running right here. But just to go back to these, let's see where they were pushing traffic to. The ad link, you can just click and boom, prescription flea and tick. This is the landing page where people can use that coupon code and buy these products. Really informative information if I am a YouTube advertiser trying to advertise dog products. You can search this a few different ways, but I just wanted to show you that quick way of how you can get instant intel about what's working on YouTube ads right now, what ads your competitors might be running. So if you want to check out a full demo that shows all these other features of the Video Ad Vault and different ways you can use it, including monitoring watch channels and getting an email update anytime a new ad is rolled out by that advertiser, you can check the demo out. We have links on the blog if you are watching this on the TubeSift blog, or if you're on YouTube, we have links in the description that'll show you the full demo of all the different ways you can use the Video Ad Vault to have more competitive intelligence than ever before and run profitable YouTube campaigns, because this is going to let you come up with unlimited hooks, offers, angles, you name it. This tool is going to help you become a better digital marketer. So check that out if you're interested. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought. And Apollo? Yeah, I think he's napping. Yeah, that's about it for me. We'll see you next time on the TubeSift blog. Thanks for tuning in.